Hola Carmelo, I'm Samuel from Germany, Heidelberg. I ask you to excuse this somehow improvised setting. And yes, I know Gianpaolo from Spain, and it touched me deeply to hear and find out in what struggle you are being right now in this period of your life. So, Carmelo, what I hope that this little message and the many others you will receive will show you that you have actually a bigger family, many people that you've never met, that right now at this very moment think about you, pray for you, and are confident that you will win the struggle, that you and your family will actually go through this very hard, very tough period of time. So I wish you really from the depth of my heart that you never lose confidence, that you never lose optimism, that you look forward in the long, bright future you will have. Personally, I am looking forward to meet you, and I wish that you don't give up the hope that your family, your friends, your relatives can give you a lot of energy, that you don't give up hope in God, but especially that you don't give up hope in all the energy and all the power that is within you, and that it is up to you to open this energy, this strive for life. Because if there's one thing I'm very sure about is that humans are capable of doing anything if they believe in their own capacities. So I just hope that with this message and with the other messages of some of my friends you will hear later, you will just feel this connection to us, and maybe we can give you our part of love and compassion and energy across the nation to you. And Gianpaolo knows I talk a lot. I could tell you a lot of many other things that are in my heart right now. But Carmelo, keep up, and that's it. Bye.